Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really excited to show this newest album that I just completed. I've been having a lot of fun making these mini albums. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this one. This lady right here is from Dreaming Tree. She was an SVG file that originally was for a card front, and I modified her size to be able to fit on the front of an 8x8 album. These roses here I made out of foam. And then if you can see, there's another one right here up at her hat. And then if we look at the spine here, there's a few more roses there near that frame. And the back of it is just the same paper that I used on the front cover, but our lady here on the front is just covering it up a little bit, making it hard to see it. So all right, let's go ahead and take a peek on the inside and see how this turned out. So here we just have a couple of journaling cards in that pocket. This flips open and there's a pocket here. These decoupage roses actually came from a kit that I received quite a while ago from Crafter's Companion. I hadn't used everything in it and it was just sitting in my stash, and it went so well with the paper that I went ahead and used that here on the album. And here's another one right here. This opens up and it's just some flip out pages. You can put pictures or more journaling, and it has a magnetic closure on it. Here's another little pocket for some more of those cards. These little tags were part of the paper packet that I've just attached here with a little brad. You could put photos or more journaling on the back of it. This paper is from Stamperia. This here has a little magnetic closure on it that's just holding those together, and these flip open. Got it tied up there a little bit. This expands out. Again, more, you can put more photos there. And more of those roses. This little envelope is being held in place by a magnet. It has a magnet closure here on the front. And there's just a small little card in it. You could put a photo here and some journaling on the front. These little tags slide out and are just holding this together. This expands out as well. And then this slides out from the belly band and it opens up. And there's a second little belly band right here that you could put either photos or more cards in. And it slides right underneath there. And then here on the side, this again has a magnetic closure and it just opens up. So you can put more photos, more journaling. I have an envelope here with more of those cards. In the back of them, you could place your photos and then put your journaling on the front. And then on this side, again, it's a magnetic closure. And then these open up. And you can add photos, memorabilia, anything you wanted on these. And then some of the pages, most of them, do have an opening right here on the inside. You could place a card or some memorabilia in there. I haven't done that yet. Let's go back through one more time a little slower so you can see. All right, and there it is. And like I said, I'm really happy with how this book turned out. I haven't decided exactly what is going to go inside of it yet, but I hope you liked it, and I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.